What up, guys? My name is Chris. This is Wheelhouse Trading, and welcome to the Wheelhouse. So I hope everybody is doing good. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe, hit the like, and select all. Make me a comment. Let me know what you want to hear about. Maybe a ticker, anything you like, crypto ticker, trading tutorial, whatever. And so look, I had said the other day, it's okay if we get a rally for a day or two, but, you don't want to sell out of all your commodities and, different things that are, hung up in the supply chain. Remember, if something is hard to access and there's low supply of it and high demand, the value will inflate. It will go up. So, I had mentioned things like copper and, fertilizer and pesticides and wheat and corn and sugar, and oil, energy, coal, uranium, lithium, all kinds of things. And, what I wanted to do was I was just going to give you guys a little cheat sheet. I just spent hours going through charts. There's 168 of them that I found. And I went through a ton of charts and I found ones that just got through the accumulation phase with all the conditions and are bullish to the daily. They're all kind of, within certain industry groups and sectors, but that's okay. That's where you push your money, and that's what everybody's doing. That's where the money is. You follow the money, okay? I was telling you guys about 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, and I was kind of upset. I was like, yeah, they're not putting it on the news about the food shortage. This is going to be like pandemonium. It's going to be a big deal. Then they brought it up in Congress, and now they're talking about it like experts are coming out saying like this is going to be horrible. Like China doesn't have enough to feed their own people. They had a smaller crop last year. This year, the weather doesn't permit for it. Then 70% of all the wheat and grain comes from Russia and Ukraine. And that's not just for America. That's for everybody. And so, there's going to be a major food shortage. It's going to be like that whole toilet paper pandemonium thing, but times 100. It's already happening. So get your cans of food, your water, get yourself prepared because the food thing is coming, and they're freaking out about it at the Fed. Also, I made a video. Apparently, a mild case of COVID could shrink your brain up to the equivalent of 10 years of aging. So that's just great. A lot of things going on, a lot of crazy things going on lately. But I think the best thing to do is just be aware of the news, and everything else will be fine if you're in the charts. Now, in one account, I did over 200,000 today. You're seeing this the day after. You're going to see it on Friday. That was Thursday that I did it. And another account over here did 27,848, and and so, good day. And the day before I was down like 205,000 at one point, and then I ended down like 97 grand or 100 grand or something like that. And yeah, it's scary, but I was telling everybody in the Wheelhouse Wednesday, I said, look, when you're in an uptrend, okay, when you're in an uptrend on the daily, you can sleep well at night because you have gone through all the phases and you're going in an uptrend, okay? You're in the right sector. You're in a strong uptrend. You can tell by the blue ribbons. And I was explaining to them, it's always bumpy on every candle to get to victory at the end. And at the end is, when the blue ribbon ends, basically, and it goes to the purple. So last time it went all the way up, and then boom, it came down here. And it just didn't stop, basically like all the other stocks that you see. That's why I'm so good at this, because I simplify it. Instead of trying to buy on the way down for like 2 years, I just have them all in a watch list, and eventually they show up like the 168. I'll click through and show you some of them, maybe not all of them, but and then boom, when they get to this blue ribbon and they come above the 200, they're back to bullish, and you can just stay on the trend. You could. There's 3 different ways I teach you, but if you want to just the easy way, you could just wait for that condition and just run it. And if you, bought here at 350, you sold here at 1460, it's 500% or something. So, it's a great gain, just simply doing that. So, Yeah, don't overthink it. Just make sure that you don't want to. You just what I'm trying to say is you don't want to go long. Stop trying to go long in a downtrend. Stop trying to buy the dip, not knowing where the floor is. Let the floor establish and start an uptrend, and then get above this line, and then just buy it. You know, like everybody else does that manages money. So, you know, you don't need to reinvent the wheel or do anything too crazy. I mean, that's just the easiest way to do things. Sure, you can trade in and out like I do on lower time frames and get a little jiggy with it, but I mean, this is basic. Just buy here and just stay. Just just hold it. And yeah, there's going to be up and down days, and you know, it's 10%. Look at this, went up 11.54%, and yesterday it went down like 10%. I mean, it's all over the map, but I mean, there's yesterday's big candle. Today it's heading back up, and still in the ribbon. I mean, it is what it is. That if it goes up when you have more, there's more shares are being taken. People are bidding up the price. There's the volume is coming in, and it continues to trend up, and it shows that right in the chart. So, just stay with it. And these are the best ones. I've already went out and found them all for us. So ENSV, okay, this thing is on fire. It's just running hot. Okay, INDO is running hot. Yang, I'm doing really good with this in one of my accounts over here. I'm up 13.29%. I might have been up a little bit more, but I think yesterday was not the best day for this one. But it is doing good again today. It's got double digits again. Strong uptrend. I mean, you're kind of betting against China's economy with Yang. AMR, it's coal. I mean, killing it. AMR is it's in the number 2 position for me now. It creeped up. Doing really well with that one. BTU is also coal. It's actually the number 1 position for me, which is only 43.05. It's weird. It was at 62%, 62 or 63% up. It dropped all the way to 27% up, and now today it's back to 43.05. So it's volatile, but it's the right sector, and it's a hot one. HUSA, HUSA. This thing has just got crazy momentum coming in. I mean, these 2 big candles were major momentum. Then it had a sell day, and then back to it a little bit today. So ARCH, very good chart, very good company, and it's in the right sector, and you're in a major uptrend. These are premium. Just the ones that I gave you on the top right here, you could just copy those, put them in your portfolio, and then you just sit tight. Like they're legit. Like Cressy, CRESUD, so Cresud. Yeah, Cresud. It's in an uptrend, and it's kind of at the beginning of the blue ribbon, so it's looking good. Plus, it just had a few down days, so it's a good time to get it. LGO, I think it's a lithium, just got bullish. I mean, look, it already did its whole thing. So it already went up, distributed, came down, and it's coming back up. So I mean, it's like go time. MVST, I just put this one in the list. Check this out. This thing has been coming down for a long time. Okay, kind of looks like those stocks like Space and Robinhood and things like that. But it looks like that, and then boom, look what just happened. Price action above the 200, blue ribbon with momentum. MVST, Microvast Holdings. Baker Hughes. I'm doing really good with this Baker Hughes right here. Where is it? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's my fifth top right now. It's up 15.7%. Doing really good with this one. HCC uptrend. Okay, this is my favorite stock. It's actually my number 1 for 2022 as far as gains go, because I trade in and out. So right now it's not number 1. It's in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's number 9, but it's actually number 1 out of total gains for the year. It's a triple leverage oil and energy. It's killing it. Moss, fertilizer, Mosaic, big uptrend, love it. GSM, it looks pretty, but it actually doesn't really move much. Like it moved 61 cents today, but a lot of days it's like 7 cents. Like now, this one of the Jedis just gave me. I have STLD, Steel Dynamics, but This is U.S. Steel, and that is a beautiful chart. I mean, this was ugly back here, but this is, I mean, this thing is moving now. So I'll probably have to get me some of that tomorrow. Nutrient, fertilizer. I mean, I'm giving you the premiums. I mean, you should just be with it. You should just rewind the video and get a little pen and paper, because these are the winners, guys. These are the winners right here. WHD, good one. Cleveland Cliff, it just went to the blue ribbon above the 200. I think this time it's going to run. It's also steel. IPI is potash. This thing is a supply and demand issue. Okay, this thing is running. HNRG, the same thing. I mean, I just give you the cream of the crop, guys. Like, skip all this madness and get with it. You know, like, get paid. Like, that's what we do. CEIX, perfect sector. I mean, bounce off, double bottom, bounce off the 200 with a nice uptrend impulse bull flag with a ribbon to support it. Just heading on up. It's looking good. ERX, double leverage bull on the energy play. ARLP, huge uptrend. Okay, SOXS, this is just, you're just betting that semiconductors are going to come down. This is one that I bought more of today. WFRD. And it is called Weatherford International, and it's an oil field service and equipment. I bought more of this today, and I'm really liking the charts on all the time frames. And this thing just has the right feel to it. And then of course it has, you know, this breakout going on is why I added. And you can see it already came above. The volumes, how I like it. It went higher than the day before. All my indicators show this thing is about to just, I mean, it's going to continue to run. It's already been doing it. But WFRD, tech, I've mentioned it in multiple videos. Tech's still looking good. EOG, looking good. This one's great. I have this one, and it's been kind of bouncing up and down in my portfolio, but it's still doing well. It's up 12.61% so far. And it's called CF Industries. It's also a fertilizer. This one, I don't like the name of it, but this is a good stock. This is a really good one. It's called JNUG, okay? And what it is it's triple leverage bull that you're betting that the gold miners are going to do good. Well, gold miners are going to do good. And look at this thing. Price action just got above the 200 with the blue ribbons. Gold miners right now, no brainer. You can clean house with JNUG, guys. Clean house with JNUG. SFM. I mean, strong, right? I mean, this is Sprouts Markets, your food. Gush, you know, I love all the oil and energy, and I like the triple leverages, especially in the right sector with the momentum. So this is a oil and energy double leverage. Sorry, not triple. AA is aluminum. I call it aluminum, but some people on TV and from Europe call it aluminium. So I don't know if it's aluminium or aluminum, but I call it aluminum. I always have. That's what everybody around me always calls it, but maybe we're wrong over here in America. I'm not sure. PLL, great stock. I have it. I'm very happy to own it. It's PLL, and it's Piedmont Lithium. Very, very excited. I bought this, I don't know. I mean, I bought it back here, and it's obviously doing really, really good. It's like one of my biggest positions right now. It's a big one for me. I have 3 or 4 that I'm big in right now. That's one of them. CRAG, uptrend. WFG, another one. This is West Fraser Timber. I like this stock, and it just came down and made its first blue candle. So it's a great day to enter. It's a really good time to enter when they come all the way down and then they make their first blue, and the ribbon's still blue and the 200's below you. That's prime if you didn't get in at the beginning. FMC, I mean, uptrend. COP is ConocoPhillips. PEO, Webb, CMC, Starbolt Carriers, Pioneer. I mean, guys, the list goes on and on. If you guys were in my Discord and you were upgraded, you'd be getting my alerts. You would see how sick I am with buying crypto, and then boom, it rushes up, and then selling crypto before it all falls. I'm just so good with it. And then all the stocks I have in there, they're all, like, I literally have right now, it's crazy. I'll be honest. I got 53 stocks. And out of 53, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have a, wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 red stocks out of 53. Okay. And hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25 with Oxy. 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 46 green. I have 46 green and 10 red. Now check it out. The red that I have, the first one is 0.20. It's a fraction of 1%. It's about to go green. The one after that is 0.32. The one after that is 0.58, and I bought it in after hours like 20 minutes ago. The one after that, it's been in an uptrend forever. I could care less. Like, I got in late, but I'm only down 1.16%. It's called LNG. Go look at the chart. It's crazy. Another one, 1.17. So basically my worst one is 5.10. Okay. And dude, like, the stuff is screaming. I don't care about the ticker. I don't care about the price. Everything is going up. My portfolio is going up like a basketball underwater. It's just firing up. Why? Because everything I teach you guys in the Discord and in the system, I'm in the right sector. Institutional support, know how to hedge, like, you know, find the momentum, be in the technicals, back it up with the fun. All these things I'm showing you, and then boom, I'm just letting it ride. And I'm clicking through the charts every day. But I do it on the hour. I come over to all these beautiful charts that are already bullish for the daily, and I'm just like, you know, on the hour, so it's a tighter time frame, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm clicking through. And then when they get like this, you know, goes red, or the ribbon goes red, or something I don't like, you know, down in here, then I exit and take my profit. And it's just like a whole running mill. It's like a whole machine. It's like a little money machine. I'm literally printing money. It's a money machine. It's so sick. Get in the Discord. Come talk to me, talk to other people, ask them what they think of the course and me and the Wheelhouse Wednesdays. I'm sure they're going to give you phenomenal feedback. I've been a pro trader for a long time, really, really good at it. I have my own system that works. It works in all the different markets, and I have different adjustments and playbooks I teach you for each market, whether it's super volatile or long bull run, long bear run, you know, lots of different ways to trade. Trade setups and everything about markets. Plus you get the alerts, the one-on-one coaching with me, you get 10 hours of that. We've been having new people sign up every single day, and they've been signing up for the annual. And by the way, the annual right now is 50% off. So when you go in the Discord, go to subscriptions. If you decide to do the annual Jedi, it's 50% off. Just use the code GREENLIGHTS, capital G, one word. And yeah, there you go. And I hope to see you in there. I appreciate you watching to the end, and welcome to the Wheelhouse.